Do you wonder what makes food enjoyable? Taste of food is not the only factor that makes it enjoyable. When we have stuffed nose, food tastes more bland than usual. This is because when we can't smell our food, we can't enjoy to the fullest. Our sense of smell contributes to the sense of taste. This concept of one sense affecting another is known as synthesia. But wait, the science behind how we experience food and drinks is not that simple. There are many more factors which dictate how we perceive our food. The visual presentation of food is also a vital element. You will be surprised to know that who we eat with, how food is described, plates, cutlery, and background noise. All these things affect taste. Many restaurants are already paying special attention to these factors to give a better experience to their customers. Do you know that seafood tastes better near a water body, or if you can hear water waves in the background? Pink and round food is perceived to be sweeter. Not only that, a dessert served on a white plate feels 10 to 15% sweeter than one on a dark plate. Italian food tastes more authentic on a table with red and white checked cloth, and coffee feels more intense if served in a white mug. And if you actually want to enjoy your food, then please don't listen to Justin Bieber while dining, because his singing, especially the song Baby, is bad for your stomach. In today's video, I will be focusing on the effect of sound on the taste. You must have experienced it yourself or heard from others that very often food doesn't taste good in flights. The continuous background noise in a plane alters the elements of sweetness and bitterness in the food and makes it taste bland. However, umami or savory taste, which is characteristics of mushrooms, tomatoes, and cooked meat, remains the same. So please stop complaining about the bad food on the board. Pick something savory instead. Not all airlines are serving bland food. Now you must be wondering, what is the science behind all this? There is a line of scientific inquiry that is informally referred as gastrophysics. It involves studying in minute detail how we experience food and drink. Imagine you try a food that has two different kinds of flavors to it, such as dark chocolate or black coffee with a spoon of sugar, which tastes simultaneously bitter and sweet. Now listen to a high-pitched song or sound and have a bite of chocolate or a sip of coffee. You will taste more sweetness of cacao and sugar. On the other hand, if you listen to low-pitched sound or song, you will taste more of bitterness of the chocolate or coffee. And do you know why? This is because high-pitched sound tend to trick our brain to focus on the sweetness, whereas low-pitched sound make our brain to focus more on the bitterness. Although nothing about the food has changed, but the sound we are hearing while eating or drinking a food item has changed how we perceive a particular flavor. Sweetness and bitterness are not the only elements of the food whose flavors are altered by the sound. In 1976, Vickers and Bone suggested that auditory cues are also important for the accurate judgment of crispness of food. Charles Spence, who won 2008 IG Nobel Nutrition Prize, carried out an interesting experiment. Participants were given potato chips of same size and texture from the same package. They were asked to bite into chips with their front teeth while waiting crispness and freshness, and while biting, the sound they heard was electronically modified. The potato chips were judged to be fresher and crisper when overall sound level was increased, or when high frequency component of the biting sound was amplified. On the other hand, when overall loudness or high frequency component of biting sound was reduced, chips were judged softer and staler. So what we hear while consuming a meal can alter how we enjoy our food. So next time if you are hosting a party, you can also play the sonic trick. Just try a volume booster for your music system to make chips crisper and fresher. And if you are not a fan of chips, then don't worry. This trick will also work on healthy food items like apple, celery, carrots, or in fact with any noisy food. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon with another exciting video. Till then, bye bye.